blue light that you see projected on the part comes from a very sophisticated light source.
Such high accuracy quality in such a small 9-pound package is pretty amazing.
In a way, this is revolutionizing inspection and reverse engineering like CNCs would to conventional machining.
I think it's most important for companies who are looking to kind of have their quality lab on the go.
We have a new product to share with you. It's called the ATOS Q, and it's in this box. So you understand why companies are adopting this technology from product development, quality control, manufacturing to production. It's an accurate blue light 3D scanner made by Go.
It's amazing how portable it is and how light it is.
Anything ATOS is better than anything else on the market.